Hi. In your life, you're going to have to convert a file to another format, whether it's an image file to a WEBP, an audio file, an MP4, something. And the way to do it, I think, is with convertio.co. I can show you what I'm talking about. Easiest cake to do. You go to Convertio, you choose your file. I'm going to choose an MP4. Okay, and then I'm going to tell it to convert it to an audio, and I want it to be an MP3. And then you click Convert, and bazinga, it's that easy. You're going to have no time at all and waiting for it to get done. As you can see, it's done. And then you just click on Download. And in Vivaldi, you can save it as wherever you want to save it. I've already got this one saved, so I'm going to use the same file name. And then you're done. You want to replace it? Yes, probably should. So there you have it. Convertio.co. And I'll have the link in the Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, there'll be this file that will be there, and you'll have a link. There's also a share link. You can see that right there. And if you want to share this to your community, to your followers, there you have it. Remember, I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.